Today we'll be going over numbers in ASL, starting with the word number. This means number, so when you want to sign things like number 1 or number 2, this is to indicate the word number. Now to go through the list, the first 30 numbers have a very special unique property before we get into the beyond. So starting out with 1, you want to make sure your palm is facing backwards like this, because it gives a good indication for a differentiation between letters and numbers. Letters and numbers. So you start with 1, and then 2, and then 3, you use your thumb. This is a very important part, because when you do this, it looks like the letter W, right? Or if you have your hand this way, it looks like the number 6, which we'll get to in a second. So we got 1, 2, and then 3. 3 like this. Then for 4, you bring your thumb back in, like your normal number 4, and then 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then for 6, this is when you want to turn your hand back around and connect your pinky with your thumb. This indicates 6, 7, 8, 9. So it goes from your pinky to your index finger all the way up. So 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10 is its own special number. You just take your thumb and shake it around like this. And then for 11, you want to take your 1, right? And then you kind of go like this. You do it twice, and then you're hitting 1, 1. So 11, right? Then you got 12. You do it with the 2 fingers. And then 13, you don't do it with the 3. This is a very interesting case. You bring it back down like this. So you have your thumb sticking out, 13. And then the same thing with the 14, just with your thumb in, 14. And then with 15, you bring your thumb back out, 15. So you go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then for 16, you just do your number normal 6, but you bring it in. So 16, 17, 18, 19. Pretty simple. You got your 6, your 16, or your 17. Then for 20, you have your special sign like this, meaning 20. Just kind of click your index finger and your thumb together. And so then you got 21. Just dingle your index finger like that. 22, with your 2 2s, you go 22, 22. 23, you make your 3, but you bring your hand back out, 23. And then you go 24, or 24, like that, 24. And you got 25, or 25 like this, actually, with your middle finger dangling like that, 25. And then from here on out, it's pretty simple. You just go 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30, 3, 0. You just bring it in like that, 30. So that's a very interesting way of doing numbers 1 through 30. And then from then on out, you just do your numbers like you would in any other circumstance. So 31, you go 31, 31, or just like 31, because you want to have your hands facing out this way to indicate that you're not going 3, 1, you're going 31. You want to do that. So you go 32. And any number that repeats itself, so like 33, 44, 55, you go 33, 44, 55, and so on right there. So if you just pick a number, let's say like 97, right? This is 9, and this is 7, right? So you just go 97, 97. And then from then on, you have 100, which is 100, and you make the letter C, because in Roman numerals, C means 100, so 100. And then from then on, you got 1,000, and then you got like 10,000, and then you got 100,000, and then 1 million. You do your 1,000, and you kind of go like that. And so any variation of those, you just keep going on like that.